The topic of today's video is how does Chime work to build credit? So Chime has a card called the Chime Credit Builder. Now, this is a secured credit card designed to help users build credit safely and affordably. Unlike traditional credit cards, it doesn't require a credit check to apply and has no annual fees and doesn't charge interest. So what happens here is Chime reports your payment history to all three major credit bureaus, Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion, by making on-time payments. So you can positively impact your credit score. In fact, Chime members see an average credit score increase of 30 points. Additionally, since there's no preset credit limit, your credit utilization isn't reported, which can further benefit your credit profile. Some things to keep in mind is that you must have a Chime checking account to use the Credit Builder card. There are no traditional credit limits, so since you set your own spending limit based on the funds you transfer, it doesn't function like a traditional credit card with a preset limit, and it has limited rewards, so the card doesn't offer cashback or rewards programs, which some other cards do. If you are starting your credit journey or aiming to rebuild your credit in a controlled and cost-effective manner, the Chime Credit Builder credit card is a compelling option. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.